Okay, so I'm going to give a rundown on how to solve question 1 from the sample midterms. So the first question from sample midterm A here is asking us the classification of the following 3 variables. 1, which is film rating, the second one, which is belt color, and the third one, which is country code. So reading the following examples for film ratings, we see that it's not a quantitative variable because we're not measuring the film rating, general parental guidance, restricted, and NC 17 because there's no numeric values that are given to us. So it has to be a categorical variable. Now let's check whether or not it fits either nominal or ordinal categories. So we know that since general encompasses all audiences and then parental guidance would be a subset of general, while it's restricting the audiences that are not children, and then restricted would be, again, under 17-year-olds require parental guidance. So we know that there's this, it goes from the most audiences to the least audiences. So we know that there's some order associated with it. That makes sense because restricted movies are obviously not going to be appropriate for the children audience. And then let's look at belt color. So here we know that it's a categorical variable because different colored belts represent different skill levels. And then we know that it's an ordinal variable as well because white belts classify as a beginner class, and then black belt classifies an expert class. So we know that it goes from beginner skill to advanced skill. So we see that there's this sequential order associated with it. And then last but not least, we look at country code. So here we can say that it's not a quantitative variable because even though country code for France is 33, if we were to measure that on a histogram, it wouldn't tell us much information from that graph. So here it's going to be a categorical variable. And then also, we know that there's no order associated with the country code. So for example, if we looked at Mexico and Australia, we know that the question doesn't give us that much information about segregating country codes by region. So for example, North America wouldn't be from 49 to 52, or European countries are from 30 to 41. So here it's randomly assigned, so that would be a categorical and nominal variable. So the answer here should be A. So the first one is categorical ordinal, second one's categorical and ordinal, and the third one is categorical and nominal.